Welcome to the in front of me Honor 9X Lite, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google or Google Assistant on this device. So first go to the Google folder and launch the Google application. Right there on the right upper corner, tap the icon and go to the settings. Now just tap here to the voice section and go to the voice match. And now just to activate the Hey Google option, tap here once on the switcher. And here click next. Yes, I agree, and continue. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, our Hey Google option is activated right now. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.